So here in North Carolina, we haven't had property taxes raised in the Wake County area in 3 years, 3 whole years. So I am expecting, this is my opinion, that property taxes will be raised like never seen before. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lower your property taxes when you get or receive that big bill. So what makes property taxes go up? For the past 2 years, we've seen home valuations reach astronomical levels that we haven't seen before. And this is very, very highly unusual. Sometimes we would see in a year or two, 3 to 2% rise in values. But this year, or the past 2 years, we've seen 10 to 20% rise in home valuations. It gave the sellers or homeowners that sold within the last 2 years a big advantage of grabbing all the money that they can and selling their home at overpriced levels. So they essentially won. Now, if you're coming into the market buying a home now at the top of the market, which I wouldn't suggest you do, now you're going to receive that big bill for those rising home values. That's basically why property taxes go up, is when your home prices or your home valuation goes up. And if you still are in your home and you haven't sold your home yet, you're going to be receiving a very, very new tax price around September and October. So I want to get you prepared on how to lower your property taxes. If you get a property tax bill that you're looking at and you're saying, how am I going to really afford this? With everything going up from gas prices to car payments, the average car payment is about $700 a month. Healthcare costs are rising. Food bills are insane. So everything is rising. And that's what I want to do. I want to give you a little bit of hope to take at least one bill and make it lower. So please listen to this video. And hopefully the information that I give to you will surely help you out. So here in North Carolina, to not or stop paying property taxes, you have to be 65 or older. 65 or older, then your taxes will be deferred. So once you reach 65, if you're in the house 5 more years and then you sell it, those taxes are going to be deferred to the person that you sell it to. So they're going to have 5 years of property taxes that they would have to pay if you pass it down to your friends or family members. Now, the other way you can reduce property taxes is to file an exemption. Say you have, you're part of a religious congregation, one example, and you have papers that say that you're an ordained minister or a pastor. You can use those papers to reduce your property bill. Now, there are some homeowners that have fell in love with the home and wanted to make improvements to the home or wanted to make add-ons. Here's the bad part about that. Those improvements could increase your property taxes. It can make it very high. So you're probably at a catch-22. You want to improve your home, but at the same time, you don't want that high property tax bill. So you might have to, delay the home improvements or not make the home improvement. So those property taxes can or will be able to fit into your tax bill. Now, if you get a property tax value that you do not agree with, you can always reach out to me, a realtor, and have us do a second assessment of the property. I do home valuations all the time. I'll be able to come in, evaluate your home, give a broker price opinion, That way you'll be able to take it down to the assessor's office and let them know that your home is not supposed to be, for example, priced at $475,000. Actually, it's supposed to be priced at $380,000, and you would like to pay the property taxes on that valuation because you got it from an experienced professional. Just a second opinion, and you are allowed to do that. So the next option, if the raised property tax bill doesn't fit into your budget, is to sell your home. It's a very simple, easy process, and I'll guide you along the way. But if you don't want to sell your home, how you can pay your property taxes is through your 401k, if it doesn't fit into your monthly expenses, or you can't afford the high property taxes. 401k, IRA, savings, or you can start a business or get a second job to pay those rising property taxes. So let me see anything. I'm going through my Rolodex to see if there's anything that I missed out on how to save on your property taxes. 401k, start a business, get a second job. I know it's a very, very unfortunate event that these property taxes are going to rise. In real estate, always say whether real estate is doing good or whether it's doing bad, someone is always making money. And the homeowners that sold their house within those 2 years really took advantage of the housing market and priced their home astronomically. In my personal opinion, think the home market or home valuations are very, very overpriced. And I try to help to the best of my ability to take some of those tax burdens off of you so that you'll be able to lower the cost. And I know everything else is going up. It's very, very unfortunate what we're going through right now. But if you find this video very helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions in regards to your property tax bill and you need help with me to reassess the value that the assessor or the appraiser have given you, feel free to reach out to me. I'll leave my information in the description below. And I hope you found this video very, very helpful. And I see you at the next video. You have a good day.